am again here with our second chapter, Mathematics, Whole Numbers. In our first part, we have learned about properties of addition and subtraction. And in our second part, we learned about properties of multiplication and division. First, we all know that what is multiplication. So, how to do multiplication? Equals 8. Now, I will describe some parts of multiplication. Multiplicand. It is called as multiplicand. And this is multiplier. Multiplicand, multiplier. This is product. This is product. This is multiplier. This is multiplicand. And if we do multiplication like this, 8. So, this is factor. This is also a factor. These both are called as factors. And this is also product. Means factor and product. Now our next topic is properties of multiplication. First, closure property. If A and B are two whole numbers, then the product of A and B also a whole number, such as A into B equals C. So, C also should be a whole number. C also should be a whole. By number, we can solve it like that. The value of A is 2. 2 into value of B is 4 equals 8. So, 8 is a whole number. This is our first property of multiplication. Second property of multiplication is commutative. If A and B are two whole number, then A into B is equals to B into A. Like, such as A into B equals to B into A. By number, suppose the value of A is 2 and the value of B is 3 equals B 3 into 2 equals 6 equals 6. Both the answers are same, means product. This is the third property. Second property. Our third property is associative property. If A, B, C are three whole numbers, then A into B in bracket into C. A into B bracket into C equals to A into bracket B into C. By number, suppose the value of A is 2. The value of A is, we can take it as 4 into the value of B is taken as 1 in bracket into 2 equals the value of A is 4. So 4 into bracket 1 into 1 equals 4 into 2 equals 1 into 2, 2 only. So 4 into 2. 4 into 2 equals 8. 4 into 2 equals 8. Both the answers are equal. This is the third property of multiplication. Property of 1. Property of 1. If we multiply any number from 1, so suppose a into 1 equals the number itself equals a. A into 1 equals a. Or if by number we can solve it like that. The value of a is 4. So equals 4 and here a. And like second 1 into a. 1 into a also equals, like by number we can solve it 1. The value of a is 4. Also equals 4 and here a. Property of 0. If a is any whole number, so a into 0 equals to 0 into a. And if a is equals to 0. Like this. By number, the value of a is we taken as 4. 4 into 0 equals to 0 into 4 equals 0. This is the 4. Our next topic is distributive property. Means distributive property multiplication over addition. So suppose that a, b, c are three whole numbers. Then a into b plus a into b plus c in bracket. We can solve this by method 1. Our 1 method means a method is, you can see here, a into b. A into b equals to a into c. A into c. But here we the sign of add, because here is also the sign of add. Now we will solve it like numbers. Suppose the value of a is 4. The value of b is 3 and the value of c is 2. So a 4 into the value of b equals 3 in bracket, the add signs, and then the value of c means 3. So 3 and here the value here is the 2 and here is the 3. 3 plus 2 equals bracket, the value of a means 4 into 3 plus bracket 4 into 2. Now we will solve it. 4 3s are 12 plus 8. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So the answer is 20. Here the method B of question of method 1, 4 into 3 plus 2. First we solve the bracket. 3 plus 2 means 5. 4 equals 20. You have seen that we have solved the method A. So answer is 20. and from method B answer is also 20. From both the method answer is the same. Now second method, A into B plus, sorry, we can write it at opposite such as B into C. B into C plus, sorry, B plus C into A. Now we will solve it like from two methods. First, equals A in B into A in bracket plus C into A. Now by number we can solve it. The value of A is 4. First we write the value of B is 3. Bracket 3 plus 2 bracket closed into 4 equals to bracket 3 into 4 bracket has been, sorry, this is C here. Sorry, this is A here. So the value of A is 4 here. So 3 into 4 plus sign and then 2 into 4 bracket has been closed. Now we will solve it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So answer is 12. It's 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. Answer is of course 20. Now like this. First we solve bracket is 5 into 4 equals 20. So at that method the answer is 20. In this method answer is 20. From all the method answer is only the 20. Now next topic is distributive property, but it is multiplication over subtraction. A into B minus C. A into B minus C. This is the question. Now we will solve it from A method. Means first we should take the value of these digits. Value of A is 4. Value of B is 3 and value of C equals 2. These are the values. Equals to first A into B bracket minus A into C by number. The value of A means 4 into bracket has bracket 3 minus 2 equals bracket 4 into 3 minus bracket 4 into 2. Now we will solve it. 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 equals 4. So our answer is 4. Here first we solve the bracket, the B. This is our B method. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 4 into 1 equals 4. You have seen that in method A our answer is 4, and in method B our answer is also 4. Means in both methods our answer is equal. Method number second, A type. B B minus C into A. Now we will solve it. First, bracket equals to bracket B into A, bracket minus signs, bracket and then C into A. By number we can do this. The value of A is 4, value of B is 3 and value of C is 2. So value of B 3. 3 minus 2 into 4 equals to bracket 3 into 4. Bracket has been closed. Subtraction signs. 2 into 4. Now we will solve it. 4 3 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12. Minus sign equals 8 and equals 12 minus 8 equals 4. Our answer is 4. Now we will solve it. 3 minus 2 equals, of course, 1 into 4. Answer is 4. In our A method, answer is also 4, and in our B method, answer is also 4. Means if we, from any method, our answer comes equal. Now our next topic is division. We know what is division. So first we know how to do division. 4 divided by 2. 2 ja 4 minus 0. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. This is dividend. And this is divisor. These are the 4 parts of division. Properties of division. First property, closure property. If A and B are two whole numbers, then it can be do from the 3 methods. First, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. This is whole number. Means and second, 0 divided by 4 equals 0. Third, 8 divided by 3 equals 8 upon 3. You are seeing here, we have do the both methods, then answer comes whole number, but here the answer is not whole number. Means if we divide any number, so answer may or may not be whole number. This is our first property. Second, property of 0. First we know what is inverse operation. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Answer is 2. And if equals to 2 into 2 equals 4. Means if we divide the factor from, if we divide these both, so answer comes this. This is the property of 0. This is our inverse operation. Now property of 0. Now we should know what is property of 0. First, 0 divided by 4 equals 0. And 4 divided by 0 divide any number from 0, but we can divide 0 from any number. Third, 0 divided by 0 equals 0. Now last, 1. Now property of 1. So first, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Second, 4 divided by 1 equals 4. This is the property of 1. Now the conclusion of this chapter means the important main thing that we learn in this chapter. First, if we add any two whole number in addition, so answer is a whole number. Second, if we subtract two whole numbers, so the answer may or may not be whole number in subtraction. Third, multiplication. If we multiply any two whole numbers, then answer should be also a whole number. Fourth, if we divide any whole number, so answer may or may not be whole numbers. Thank you.